This is Aaron from 160.net. Now, here's a phone that looks like some flagship phone, but it comes with a total of 24 gigs of combined RAM and 256 gigs of storage. And it just costs only 1,399 ringgit. This is the all-new Honor 600 Lite. The first thing you notice is the design. It has the premium flagship feel, and with a unibody metal build, it feels solid and refined in the hand. The edges clean, the finish premium, and look at those ultra narrow bezels, super sleek and modern. It definitely gives you the flagship vibes, but without the flagship price. It's available in two colors, desert gold and velvet grey, both looking elegant and stylish. Now let's talk about power. You are getting a total combine of 24 gigs of RAM that includes 12 gigs of Honor RAM Turbo, paired with 256 gigs of internal storage. The multitasking smooth. When it comes to gaming, it is stable. When it comes to storage, anxiety is entirely gone. In the heart of the phone, it is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7100 Elite, so daily usage feels responsive whether you are scrolling, streaming or gaming. Up front, you get a 1.5K AMOLED display, crisp visual, vibrant colors and deep contrast. And for eye comfort, it supports 3840Hz PWM dimming and dynamic dimming, which helps reduce eye strain during long scrolling sessions. It comes with a massive 6520 mAh battery. That means long hours of watching dramas, TikTok scrolling, YouTube streaming without constantly worrying about charging. Camera-wise, it packs a 108 megapixel main rear camera with sharp details, vibrant colors and solid dynamic range. But the real highlight is the AI experience. There's a dedicated AI button for quick camera launch and instant access to AI memories, AI screen suggestion, Honor AI, AI settings agent and Google Lens. When it comes to editing, it is also easy. You get AI eraser, AI upscale, AI cutout, and AI outpainting. And it's not just all about looks. The Honor 600 Lite comes with upgraded IP66 water and dust resistant and is certified with SGS 5-star drop resistance. So it doesn't just look premium, but tough when it comes to protection. Of course, you get all of this at just 1,399 ringgit. Plus, you'll get a 100 ringgit instant rebate with a 1+1 year extended warranty worth 99 ringgit. The Honor 600 Lite is now available at Honor Experience stores nationwide and selected telco. Stay tuned for more and remember to subscribe to us.